So you can't really see shit. This is gonna be on YouTube, Will. This is gonna be you. And there'll be like Snoring Kid on YouTube. It's gonna be 10 million hits. Kids snoring ridiculously. 10 million hits right here. It's too dark.
So bad.
You're killing yourself when you're farting. That's not good. If you're choking on it, don't Jesus Christ, and then come over here.
Like, bring it to this kid. Quit snoring.
Yeah, maybe he'll choke and quit snoring. I don't even need to be filming. I just need to be recording the video, audio right now. So I'm sorry.
Maybe he'll choke and quit snoring. Don't bring it over here. Wait, no. Maybe he will choke.
Where's the light for the bathroom? Turn this shit on. Maybe it'll brighten it up a bit. Not really. Really, not really. I want to get super close. Super close. Sawing logs.
Only like turn the TV up and just see how loud it'll start.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm so glad I don't snore. I do sometimes, like, I don't know, but nothing like this guy. I wish my camera wasn't so dark.